Alright guys, so now I got this steering wheel for the E34. There's been so many problems. The guy sent me the wrong adapter, hub adapter, so I had to buy this one. This is from E36, which fits my car. My car is a 95 E34. So, 95, they updated, I think in 93, to the newer version of the Springle. And as you can see, this is a MOMO adapter. It cost me 80 bucks. It came from Florida. It's an E34, but they had it in Florida. It looks pretty high quality. I like the design of it. The rubber piece right here. And so this is the steering wheel that I'm putting on. So I'm gonna show you guys the process of how to do this. I have a long extended Allen key, 4mm. This is for the airbag. There's bolts back in the airbag right here. So let's start with that. And make sure you put your steering straight before doing anything. Let's see. Alright, I think that's in position. As you can see, the airbag is coming out already. It's already out on this side, I think. I'll move to the other side. So I'm having a little bit of trouble. I'm gonna move the steering wheel. I'm gonna do it with the car on. And then put it straight back again. That's easier. Wipers are on. It's hard because you're not seeing, but once you then you can just do it by hand. Oh, this one's a little bit attached too. Now before you disconnect anything, shut the car off. Forgot to put the steering back straight. Put it right like that, straight. Shut it off and lock it in position. Alright, so now, oh see, it was unplugged already. So now you take the horn button out, put the airbag aside. Now you don't need this anymore. Well, you're gonna need them, I think, probably for the bolts for the steering wheel. Now you get 17mm for the bolt inside here. I'm gonna show you the bolt when I take it out so I don't have to move the camera. And you got a big ratchet with an extension. And you go on it like that. Now you just take the ratchet out. Keep on going with the extension. This is pretty quick. It's not such a big deal. And it came off easily because I already took it off before. But unplug this. Unplug this. Let's see. I have to take this part apart. There we go. And unplug this. Let's see. Okay, I don't think I broke anything. Okay. Let me see. Okay, simple as that. And now, just put that wiring there. I'm not gonna use it anymore. These I'm saving, because you never know. Now, you put the new thing inside. Make sure you put it with a hole on top, so you know it's straight. Let's see. I think it's straight like that. Let me see. I'm gonna move it a little bit to the side. Like that. There we go. So it goes right in place. You don't even have there. Snap those pieces in place. And now, don't forget to put your bolt back on. Get the extension. Where did I put it? Oh, right here. You see, this was the bolt that I was talking about. 17 millimeter. I think a 16 will fit too. I just had a 17 at hand, so I just used that one. There. Now you put it back together. Like that. Now tight with a ratchet. Like that. Like that. Really tight. We want the steering coming up. Okay. So now, next part is to put the horn button first. Oh, I think you have to grab the steering wheel. Yeah, I can do the horn button first and then put this after. And let me see. No, the steering wheel needs to go first. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the wiring ready first. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, all you have to do is plug those two that come with the two wires that come with the MOMO adapter, the hub adapter. Plug them into the horn, and then you just bolt your steering wheel in place. So now I'm gonna be installing the wheel, and that's it. You're gonna see now how this thing is gonna look. Let's see. I think right there is good. Okay, and then you put your make sure you align it very well. Make sure you put all the bolts in star pattern so you don't tighten it, you know, so it goes all nice and easy, even. Nice and even. By the way, this is a 3mm Allen for the little bolts. As you can see, I have this wire here. I'm gonna do another part of the video for the horn, because my car didn't have this piece. This is from my E36, but I need to get a new one. So it touches the ring on the hub adapter, the copper ring. Because if not, right now the horn it's not functioning, you know. So I have a 328 in my grandma's house, but it is not even. It was wrecked. So I'm gonna see if that one has that piece, because the convertible didn't have a good example of that piece. And you see, you go star pattern, little by little, little by little. Not too over tight, just, you know, hang tight. I think that should be good. So no shaking, no nothing. By the way, this came with a ring, with a hub adapter. This piece right here, but I didn't use it. You don't have to. All right, guys. I'm gonna keep you updated.